Hello, buongiorno, bonjour and guten tag. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Otherway, the channel for traders run by a trader. In one of your comments, Paul asks, are you planning to do analysis of Bitcoin tops, bottoms? It would be super interesting. Paul, be my guest, because in this video I'd like to show you how you can find some harmonics of Bitcoin and how to work with it out the easiest way possible. But also during this video I will give you some tips how you can simply calculate dates of turning points in the future based on the recent price. So stay with me to the end of this video to not miss anything. And let's start the rock and roll. Actually, I'm on Bitcoin daily chart. Recent days, Bitcoin made all-time high and no one knows where and when it is going to stop. At least as a matter of local reversal, because in the long term it seems to have a long growing potential, doesn't it? So in order to find the future, we have to go backwards to check the past and more precisely to find an impulse of Bitcoin in the past to see how it is working. We know that a few months ago there was a correction on Bitcoin somewhere in mid-August and September. So let's try to do something with it, okay? So on August, what date was that? That was August 17th of August. There was a local top over here. The market topped up. Bitcoin made 12,300 high over here. It wasn't long ago, was it? Now it's 23,000 nearly. And few days later, several days later, it made a low over here on September 3rd. So it seems as an impulse which we can project into the future to see how the market does behave, alright? So I'm getting the Fibonacci. How is it called? Fib retracement. Okay, so I get this Fib retracement and get from high here of this date of September 17th and drag it to this low on, it was August 17th. I draw it to this low of September the 3rd. Here we go. So we got the first stuff done over here. When we make it a little bit, let me zoom it out a little bit and show you. So that's how it looks. Let's make it even more precise, like that one, okay? So here we go. We are here. So what does it show at the moment? It shows the first impulse, and obviously here is strong resistance line and here is strong support line. As you can see, the market didn't want to go lower than 10,000. So that was a magic point, $10,000 roughly on Bitcoin. What is still also important here, I would like to show you that also in the middle of that period, halfway over here, let me draw a line over here. Over here, there is also strong support resistance area, which obviously half of the cycle, it's more or less, yeah, but let's say it's in the middle of this cycle, and you see the market reversed here, came back to the support line when broke through, just small correction and continued further north. Okay, so it seems that on halves as well it's working. So let's analyze it further. How did it go? Over here, strong impulse over this resistance line, and you see in the middle again, same story. Middle is somewhere here. The market stopped, was a bit of uncertainty over here, and continued its rally. What's going on next over here? So all right, let's do it this way. Let's do it this way, just to keep it faster. So again, same story here on the third level. So 3 times this impulse, it made another support resistance line and the market respected it over here, as you see. And 4 times the impulse, the market seemed to stop. First time here, made a correction, whatever. You see on the chart that it was working. And now, from December, what was that? December 11th, the market, again, the middle is here. The middle between these 2 lines is here. And look what's happening here. So it's also the signal. The market is really strong, because came back to this support, continued its rally, made higher high, obviously, lower low, obviously, and halfway between these 2 lines, continued its rally, is the last impulse we know. And now, okay, and now we are here. So as of today, December 18th, 2020, we are here at this level, and the next resistance line, as you see, is respected. So we expect that the market might reverse over here. It will continue this way. So this is the first support line on Bitcoin based on its harmonics of the price, because we are analyzing the price right now with these retracements. So see, at the moment, this line is respected and it's okay. Next halfway is somewhere here. So this is the first potential resistance area over here in the market. The Bitcoin should stop at the level of 24,000 roughly. Okay, let's get rid of this line. Now, well, I can show you the next thing. The next thing we can do, obviously, we can try to see how the market behaves. So we got this impulse. Let's check it vertically. Let's check it. How is the time over here? Because the price, we already found some characteristics of some harmonics of the price. So let's drag a zone from. So this is again Fibonacci, it's a Fibonacci zone. So we got Fibonacci zone, it's set in the same way. Just let me show you what the settings are. Oh, it didn't work. Let me show you first these settings, because this is not a regular, it's just settings are like this. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's harmonic. It's split in exact measures. So the same distance as a matter of price between the lines. And with these Fibonacci zones is the same. So from this top to this bottom is the first impulse. We drag it already horizontally, and now we do it. We drag it horizontally, now we do it vertically. So as you see, obviously, the market responded after exact amount of time, responded and made correction. And the story I told you before, halfway, roughly about halfway here, the market reversed on this line, exact that period. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And over here, so here the market reacted correctly, here as well. Here it didn't. Momentum was already so strong that the market was continuing. But look over here. I just want to show you this one. This very small babe. There was this, again, we are on a halfway here. The market reacted to it. And over here at the vertical line, harmonic line, this is a daily chart of Bitcoin, obviously, it's shown a sign of rising again. So that was a reversal point. The market nearly didn't move at all over here, as you see. Next one, next vertical one is here, which seems to work pretty well. And that what happened, the market obviously here continued its next move. Now, this is the 7th line and the market didn't respond here yet. Well, it doesn't work 100%. Nothing is perfect. The momentum was too strong, probably. But anyway, that's at the moment. And by this harmonics, the next reversal would be on the date of 31st December 2020. So the last day of the year. And we'll see what's gonna happen now, because it's lovely cross-forming here. We'll see. But Bitcoin still got a strong momentum. What we've got at the moment, let me show you what we've got here. We've got, that's the date on Astrolog. We got two bikes, traveling here. They are not bikes on the water, as WD Gun said, because they are not in a water sign, because we got Sun and Mercury conjuncting tomorrow in the fire sign, and as well as Jupiter and Saturn will conjunct in the sign of the air on December 21st, which is on Monday. Basically, it's conjuncting already. Saturn is already in the Aquarius. But that's the situation of December 18. And if we analyze December 31st, we can see what's going on. Nothing major. This conjunction already is over, so it's nothing special. Well, I wanted to show you also. So this is the first one. And, well, by the way, I promised you a tip, I think. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So, we got the first impulse from here to here, all right. Now is the tip. The closing price of this candle, which is on the chart, 10,169, roughly. Let me show you something. 10,600. Was it 600? Let me just check it once again. 10,169. Okay, so it's 10,169. What we can do with that, my friend? So we are here. We can project it into the future. Look how we do that. Very simple method. You can just check it on other values, important tops and bottoms of the market. We get a square root of this. You'll get 100. What's gonna happen if we add 100 to this date? 3rd September. So let's do it. 3rd September, 3rd 9/20. Let's add 100 days to that. And let's see what's gonna happen. It's equal to this one plus this one, which is 12/12/2020. Did it work? Let's check it. 12/12/2020. Where is December? It should be over here. Here we go. That's the date when the market just signaled that it will reverse. Very interesting idea. So in the same way, you can try any other top or bottom of the market. What's gonna happen if you get this one? What does it say? It's 17th of August, and the closing price was 12,299. So 12,299. When you get a square root of it, we got 110. Let's check it. All right, so we got 17th of August, and we add 110 to that. So we got 17,820. 110 is here. Let's check it, how it works. Okay, we got 5th December 2012. Let's check it, my friend. 5th December, if you don't remember that date, it is November, December. 5th December 2020, the market made a local correction of this movement. Anyway, it's not that bad. It's just a good couple of pips from here. So we got the market open at 18,600 and closed at 19,230. So 100 and something. So it's a good $600 move. It's not that bad. But in this way, you can find very nice reversal points in the future. Check it yourself, please, and you will be amazed. Last but not least, let me just try to do something else. We got a trend line. Let's draw a trend line from this corner and let's drag it here. And let's make another one. So let's draw another line from this bottom and drag it through the corner. Let's see what the market will say. Maybe one more. And here we go. Okay, let's check. What does it show? Does it show anything? Yes, it does, my friend. Yes, it does. It does show everything. As you see, this dynamic resistance line has been respected, as well as here the dynamic. Let's draw another one. Probably this one also would work nicely. From this corner, we drag from the corner and over here through the other corner, and let's check it. Look how lovely is that. It's beautiful. In this way, you can create a channel where the market moves within these boundaries. So at the moment, if the market would make a reversal, in my opinion, a very short term, if not here, it should be halfway between these two lines, which is somewhere here. Let me show you. So half of this cycle, somewhere here, that's one line, and half of the cycle is also exactly here, is the same horizontal line. So it looks like harmonically the market might think about local reversal and coming back to this line. But first it has to close above this line, which is at the moment 23,000 on Bitcoin. We will see what's gonna happen. Obviously, there are much more sophisticated methods you may learn on my private tutorial, but it's not necessary. You can do everything using simple tools which you've got on any platform like MT4, like whatever you use. So thanks very much for watching. That was a pleasure for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.